Welcome back, everyone. We are in Rancho Palos Verdes today, right next to the beautiful Pacific Ocean, and we are looking at the Wayfarers Chapel. Let's check it out. Up ahead are the administrative offices. They have a very nice view. If it wasn't so hazy, you could see Catalina out there, 26 miles across the sea. Santa Catalina. It's waiting for me. So up ahead are administrative offices and restrooms, which are usually open whenever they are open, so you can, I don't know, I guess go to the restroom. I'm so obvious sometimes. Let's go check out the grounds and the chapel. The chapel was designed by Lloyd Wright, son of famed architect Frank Lloyd Wright. He designed the chapel in the late 1940s. It was built between 1949 and 1951. We're actually looking at the chapel right now through those trees, but you can't see it. And you'll understand why in a moment. Love these old trees. You can almost pretend that traffic is the ocean. And there it is. Oh wow, we're lucky it's open today. Most days it is closed. Keep waiting for pictures. We'll come back in a minute, let them take their pictures. I'll show you around. But look at this view. Nice bench over there. I did some research on Emmanuel Swedenborg, and this church is based on the new church, and they believe that Jesus Christ returns not in flesh, but in the actions, the beauty, what's all around you. It was much deeper than that, but I just did a little cursory reading. Let's go inside here. It's very peaceful in here. I've been in churches before, churches all over Italy, but nothing like this before. Someone left their hat. So beautiful in here. Although it's currently 60 degrees outside, it was a bit warm in there. I didn't see any air conditioning vents, so I'm not sure what would happen. It got really warm in the summer. Imagine them planning out their wedding. Continue to walk around. This church has been in lots of TV shows and movies. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's stunning. And then you almost don't even see it there because it is glass through the trees, and you can see the trees on the other side of the chapel. You can just imagine being an architect and being asked to design a church and then giving them something so bold. It has the faint outline of a church, but it's something I've never seen before. A self-guiding walk. Don't mind if we do. Again, the views here are just amazing. I've been here on cloudy days. I've been here on rainy days. It's always beautiful here. Interesting side note, right above us, right beyond us, right, where am I? Right there, that part of PCH is so unsteady from seismic shifts. That's constantly cracking, constantly moving. All the gas lines, you can see some down here along the road, are actually above the ground because it's constantly shifting and moving. If you're on a bicycle or motorcycle, you have to be very safe, very careful, because it's full of cracks and bumps. Look at that view. Let's continue. I have never been here during a wedding. Staff only. More offices or perhaps living quarters. A parsonage. Another view of the chapel. Right when I pulled up, the bells are going off. Another cool view there. You can see all the way through. So we are now at the altar end of the church, looking back towards the door we came through. More beautiful gardens. Wayfarers Chapel is a no drone zone. I have a drone. It seems everywhere I go nowadays is a no drone zone. So it usually just sits in the truck. Little hillside stream. Oh. I guess the bells ring at the quarter of every hour. As I was saying, I'm surprised that stream didn't have water in it. We've had so much rain here lately. Again, this is Wayfarers Chapel, Rancho Palos Verdes. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time. I will leave you with that view. And we'll see you next time, and we'll see where the road takes us.